Hi, we are showing here in Atlanta, we are very proud to show a full integrated cell for edge banding processing. Winner W4 is a handling solution to help the operator to manage a single-side edge bander in a very easy way. The operator will stand in front of the machine, feed panel, and the W4 will return the panel to him, automatically knowing if it needs to be rotated or not. And this is a part of the full cell. It's a modular system, meaning that the single-side edge bander Stream A with the W4 can be installed by himself, standalone, or in a full automated cell with the robot, which we will see later. Robots, the future. What it does is stacking and sorting the parts in the right position. The system knows exactly where the parts are. He will put them in an intelligent sequence into the storage. At the next process, it will sort the parts according to the next need. Biesse is leader in the market in applying this kind of solution, and customers are more and more demanding for something like this. We are responding with these solutions all over the world.